Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Ryan Rose.
Just stepping outside, heading to work this morning, very mild temperatures, 43 right now in Great Falls, 52 in Conrad. Check out Hayes, close to 60 degrees at this hour. Now, if you want to get outside to get in a little run here, we're going to see some clouds, but we're also going to see some sunshine. Temperatures warming up to about 60 degrees by the mid-morning hours. Now, as we continue throughout the day, by lunchtime, we're already going to be in the 70s, and we are headed to the low 80s here right around the 4 o'clock hour. That's why you don't see the 80s on that graph. And Helena, very similar story. Once again, low 70s by lunchtime, and we're headed to the low 80s here for the afternoon hours. Now, elsewhere across the state, 84 in Harlem. Check out some of our eastern counties here. 89 in Jordan, 88 Glasgow, and 90s out in Wolf Point. Very, very summer-like here. Now, as we head into tomorrow, this warm air is on its way out. Low pressure is the next system that will be rolling through, in fact, beginning tonight, going into tomorrow. Now for today, dry air, warm temperatures, which means high fire danger here. We could see gusty winds and heavy downpours as we head through the evening hours tonight, and we are going from the 80s to the 50s and 60s in just a matter of about 48 or 24 hours, I should say. Now, we do have some showers up around Cut Bank, and we are going to see more of these showers filling in through the evening hours tonight. Some of these yellows and oranges are going to be a little bit on the heavier side going through tonight around 10 o'clock. Again, Cut Bank, we're going to be looking at some between Conrad, Fort Benton. We'll also be looking at some showers. They're going to move on east, but it's going to continue here going into tomorrow morning, and even right around 10 o'clock hour, the showers just south of Great Falls, we may pick up a little bit in Great Falls as well before the showers finally begin to move on out of here to our south. Now, as you're heading home from work, once again, very mild. You might be dodging the rain, though, here, and some possible thunderstorms. We are going to be cooling off to the upper 50s by the 11 o'clock hour. Now, rainfall totals, not a lot from many locations. Some spots could pick up 1/3 of an inch, Geyser, and over an inch in Cut Bank, as we could be looking at some of these heavier thunderstorms rolling through. Now, overnight tonight, going into tomorrow morning, very similar story to what we saw today. A little bit on the cooler side, though. 45 Great Falls, 30s up through I-15, Conrad, and Cut Bank. Now, Friday's high temperatures were much cooler here, and even along the east, Glasgow 73, 60 in Great Falls, and Saturday we're right back up to the low 70s here. 70 Great Falls, 75 here in Fort Benton, and in fact across the entire state on Friday we're looking at the low to mid 70s. Very comfortable. Saturday, I should say, would be a good day to get outside as we're going to begin to see clearing skies here. Now we go back into the upper 70s for Mother's Day, and then Monday and Tuesday we're looking at some thunderstorms and more showers possible as we begin to drop back into the upper 50s. Helena, very similar story. Again, Saturday would be your day to get outside. If you want to dodge the rain here, we're back to the mid 70s on Sunday and back down to the low 60s as we head towards Tuesday, and even a slight chance of showers here going into Wednesday of next week.